Hello students, welcome to Smart World, a school of complete education, and today we'll be covering chapter 13 from English, that is advise customers. You must have seen ads, that is advertisements on TV and in many other places. Advertisement to tell people about their products. Their aim is to make people buy those products. Advertisements are designed in such a way that people are impressed when they see them. They feel like buying the product. That is what the owners want. But is the advice in the ads always good for you? You must think about it carefully. You must act like a wise customer and decide what to buy, how much to buy, and what not to buy. Here is a short example of how and manipulates us, and we are prone to buy the product. It says feeling happy, crispy crunchy, feeling sad, crispy crunchy, feeling tired, crispy crunchy, lost the match, crispy crunchy, won the cup, crispy crunchy, day and night, crispy crunchy, now and then, crispy crunchy, for you and me, crispy crunchy, every time, crispy crunchy, only for ₹5 and get 1 pack free on 5. Whatever be your mood, whatever be the situation, you should always have crispy crunchy, which is not at all good for your health, but still it is advising you to have it. So it's your responsibility to judge and act wisely and not get manipulated by the advertisements every time. My teacher says we see many types of chips, wafers, and other snacks in the market. We get them in attractive packets or pouches. These snacks are usually fried foods that contain a lot of salt and spices. They are not good to taste, but not so good for your health if you eat them all the time. Growing children need a balanced and nourishing diet that includes different types of cereals, pulses, fresh vegetables, fruits, nuts, milk, and etc. Therefore, you should have a balanced diet. Here are some questions. Enact the advertisement. 7 children wait in different places, striking a suitable pose as shown in the ad. The character Crispy Crunchy comes in dancing. He goes near every child, singing the words shown in the ad. He offers a crispy crunchy piece to every child. The child eats it and begins to smile and clap. At the end, the character faces the class, shows a big pack of crispy crunchy, and presents the last few lines. Question number 2. Discuss the following questions after you have seen a presentation of the ad. 1. What does all the ad tell you? 2. How many times is the name Crispy Crunchy repeated in the ad and why? 3. What would happen if you never ate Crispy Crunchy? 4. What would happen if you ate proper meal? What would happen if you never ate fruits and vegetables? Question number 3 says, present the information in the box my teacher says, translate the box my teacher says into my mother tongue. Question number 4, watch the advertisements on TV, choose any one of them for group discussion and analysis. Write your report on the advertisement. Now here is the ad. What the ad says: Didi, look at this, my new dress for the party. Where's yours? No party for me. 5 days to fairness. Bittiya Rani, tap, my new shoes for the party. Where are yours? No party for me. Hema Gauri will make your skin shine. Bittiya Rani, ting, choose new bangles for the party. She says again, no party for me. What's the matter? Why are you sad? My skin is so dark, I feel so bad. No party for me. Is that all? Don't worry. Solve your problems with Hema Gauri. ₹10 off on every 100-gram tube or bottle. Now again, my teacher says, who says black is not beautiful? The color of your skin has nothing to do with your beauty. It's more important to be healthy, neat, and tidy if you want people to look like yours, to like your looks. You should eat well, exercise well, sleep well, and drink enough water to get a healthy, glowing skin. Never feel bad about the color of your skin, of your natural looks. Be careful. When you try fairness creams, they may have side effects also. Question number 1. Enact the ad by playing the roles of Didi and her relatives. One more child acts as the salesman of Himaguri and presents the text given in the white letters in pink bubbles. Second, discuss the following questions after you have seen a presentation of the ad. 1. Why does Didi say no party for me? 2. Can you become fair in 5 days? How long will the effect of the cream last? 3. Will you love your brother or sister only if she is fair? 4. Think of the people you like. Do you like them because they have a fair white skin or because some other qualities? List those qualities. 3. Who do you think benefits most from commercial advertisements? 4. Have you ever seen non-commercial advertisements? Those that are not selling anything but are only giving people useful information? 5. Write a useful ad for importance of games, drinking enough water, and your own school. Well, that's it for this chapter. Thank you for listening.